Lance Corporal Randy Dick. We're running a conventional range where you basically assault 3 trenches with reinforced enemy machine gun bunkers. The scheme maneuver went pretty well. Our squad's objective was to set up a support by fire so we could allow the other squads to move up and take trench 1 and 2. Once that was done, we break down from the support by fire and then move up the wadi so we could assault through on trench 3, which was further back. We had quite a few lulls consuming ammo, so we were going through ammo a little too fast. So we really just had to control our rates of fire, and then once we got down into the wadi, we realized, like, yeah, we're really low on ammo, so we ended up distributing ammo throughout the squad. We ended up using 5.56 link since our saw was down. We took all the 5.56 link and broke that down and loaded them into our mags. The time we exit the wadi, it was just to suppress, you know, just enough to where we could move up so we could do the grenade. And then once we did that, just get down to the trench immediately and flow right through. It's always just the little things, like you're always refining your skill, you know, getting better as a marksman and just better as an infantryman all around. So it's always good to just refresh and, you know, just keep working on just the little things. Even if it's something as small as like getting up out of a wadi and, you know, taking a trench, you know, there's always other ways that it can apply.